Hi, magandang araw sa iyo. Pinapanood mo ngayon itong video dahil marahil ay nakasubok at nakagamit ka na o nakabili ka na ng Sante Barley product sa isa sa partners namin sa team. Naibahagi niya sa iyo itong video dahil nais niyang mas mapalawak pa ang kalaman mo patungkol sa features, benefits, and advantages ng Sante Barley kumpara sa ibang nutritional supplements. Bago tayo magtuloy sa ating topic, maigi na mapanood mo muna itong clip ng short explainer video patungkol sa your immune system under a microscope para madali mong ma-visualize at maunawaan ang mga ibabahagi ko sa iyo dito sa video.
Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at your immune system under the microscope. So what you're seeing on your screen here are a bunch of red blood cells that deliver vital oxygen to our body. The moving cell there is a lymphocyte. That's your immune system. That's what it looks like under the microscope. So its job is to go in between all of these cells in your lymph system and start cleaning up, if you will. What you don't see is that it's swimming in water. That's why we need to drink water when we get sick. What you just saw there is a lymphocyte that's changing direction. That's showing intelligence. It's got a signal called chemotaxis to go clean up a mess, and that's what it is right there, cellular debris. So what you're seeing there is that lymphocyte starting to break down and clean up all that cellular debris. Just like a car that uses gas and there's exhaust, all of our cells use fuel, and then there's byproducts of metabolism. This little stick figure, that is streptococcus. That's your immune system taking care of bacteria. Look how it goes and protects you by enveloping itself around the bacteria. Now this is a picture of natural cell death. This is apoptosis. This is a cell. Just watch the edges of the cells there. It's about to die. And what a lot of people don't know is that our cells are replaced every so often. Red blood cells every 149 days. Other cells may take years, but our cells are replaced with whatever we've been eating at the time. And so it's important to know that these lymphocytes have to go in and clean up all of these cells. And we have trillions of cells. I joke around with my kids and I say, you know, I want you guys to clean your room as well as your lymphocytes clean theirs. And this is what we see. Trillions of cells being cleaned up. And this is why it's so important to eat a healthy diet with real whole foods, because our cells need those big building blocks, not fake foods that are going to break down and add more work to your lymphocytes. When your immune system gets overworked, then it can't protect you as well. What you're seeing here on the screen is natural cell division, and instead of it dividing properly, you'll see at the middle of the screen, it stays conjoined, and it becomes what's called a binucleated cancer cell. Those two dark circles, those are the nuclei. The lymphocytes that are circled there, those are inside the cancer cell, and that arrow points to the cell membrane, and the lymphocyte on the outside is trying to get in. Watch how it pokes multiple times. We count 7 times it pokes to try and get in. If your immune system is weak, it can't get in. If it's strong, it can get in and start to help to defend against the cancer. And so this is why it's so important to really help keep your immune system strong. What wrecks your immune system? Stress. You can see here that it's gotten inside, and now it's high-fiving the other lymphocytes. We pull the camera back, and we can see that we've now got tissue that's cancerous. Not the size of a tumor yet. This is still under a microscope, but it's tissue. And all those moving things are the lymphocytes. And what you just saw there is implosion from the inside out. This is natural killer cells of your immune system killing cancer, so we put an instant replay on there. This is cancer dying. We now know that to help put our chances of not getting cancer up to the highest, we need to keep our immune system strong. And like I said, what impacts the immune system? Stress. Mental, chemical, and physical stress. When you get sick, what do they tell you to do? Drink lots of water, because those lymphocytes need to be able to swim around and get to where they need to get to. Get lots of rest. That way you have less byproducts of metabolism, so there's less work for the lymphocytes to have to clean up, and it allows for your immune system to recover. And then also, what do they say? Take antioxidants, vitamin C, things like that. Why? Because antioxidants is what feeds your immune system. That's what makes them stronger. So in today's world, we need to avoid the chemical stressors like sugar and fake food, and add things like fruits and vegetables, organic fruits and vegetables, and supplement them with good antioxidant supplements to keep our immune system strong. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please take care of your immune system.
Since napanood mo na yung video clip, ano ang mga naging realization mo? Feel free to post, comment dito sa comment section para alam din namin kung ano pang information ang maaari naming maibahagi sa iyo. Alam naman na madami sa atin na ang katawan natin ay may ability to repair and heal itself, o self-healing kung tawagin. Tulad ng paghilom ng sugat sa balat, ganoon din ang pamamaga o sugat sa loob ng katawan natin. Nainiwala ka din ba dito? Based sa napanood mong clip ng short explainer video, para magawa ng katawan natin na makapag-repair at mag-self-heal, mahalaga na mapatibay natin ang ating immune system. Sa pag-unawa dito, mas makikita natin ang halaga ng pag-introduce ng Sante Barley sa katawan natin bilang nutritional powerhouse at malaking advantage nito bilang total complete food na pandagdag sa diet natin araw-araw. Bago ko ipaalam ang 5 pangunahing purpose, function at recommended daily intake, may tanong lang ako sa iyo. Tulad ng laging pinapaalala sa atin ng mga medical practitioner, naniniwala ka din ba na para mapatibay natin ang ating immune system, kailangan natin ng consistent supply at i-provide araw-araw sa katawan natin galing sa mga kinakain natin ang vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes at antioxidants. At para mabilis na ma-absorb ang mga essential nutrients na ito ng katawan natin, mahalaga din ba na ma-detox o malinis muna natin at mailabas ang mga naipong dumi na nanatili sa mahabang panahon at hindi dapat na nasa loob ng katawan natin. At para magawa natin ang effective ang cleansing na ito, malaki ang halaga dito ng pagkain ng mga pagkain na mayaman sa fiber at chlorophyll. Tulad ng madami, agree ka din ba dito? Kung oo din ang sagot mo, naniniwala ka din ba na nauubos ang mga ito sa katawan natin? Pag nakaramdam tayo ng pananakit ng ulo, madalas na pagkahilo at panghihina, madalas na panghapdi ng sikmura at hirap sa pagdumi, ganoon din ang pananakit ng mga joints at iba pang uncomfortable na pakiramdam. Sinyalis ito na may imbalance na nangyayari sa katawan natin. Ibig sabihin, unti-unting nauubos ang mga essential nutrients at kailangan nating isupplement ulit para mabuno ang imbalance na nangyayari. Agree ka din ba na kailangan nating isupplement ang mga ito para maibalik natin ang energy at mabalansi ulit ang imbalance na nangyayari? Itong mga essential nutrients na nabanggit, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes at antioxidants, ay may malaking role na ginagampanan para mapatibay natin ang ating immune system at ang palakas ang immune defense ng katawan natin. Makapag-function ng tamang ating cells at ang ating katawan sa bawat araw at magawa ng katawan natin na maging effective ang proseso ng detoxification. Ang pagkaubos ng mga essential nutrients na ito mula sa ating regular nutritional diet ay nakakaapekto sa pang-araw-araw nating activities. Pag naubos, ano ang kailangan natin gawin? Kailangan natin ng consistent supplementation. Nang sa gayon ay mapanatili natin ang katawan natin na mag-function ng tama, mapabuti ang kalusugan, maging mabilis ang pag-recover ng katawan at magtuloy-tuloy ang pagbuti ng karamdaman. Nabanggit ko mga ito dahil sa ang Santay barley ay punong-puno sa vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes at mayaman din ang Santay barley sa antioxidants. At ang consistent na pag-supplement natin daily ng mga essential nutrients na meron sa Santay barley kasabay ng tinataglay nitong fiber at chlorophyll ay nakakatulong na mabilis na malinis ang katawan natin at mailabas ang mga toxins. Mas madali sa katawan natin ang mag-absorb ng mga nutrients na pinapasok natin. Mas madali at mas magiging effective ang katawan natin na mag-self-heal.